Here we're just doing a little test on the Basic Atom Nano serial communications prompted by a question on the forum regarding not getting the correct serial output from the Nano and the Logic Analyzer picking up framing errors. So to check this out, we've set up a small program running on a little Nano USB development board there, and the program that we're running basically sets the red LED high and then communicates via the green LED, and it's just using a serial out command and printing the characters test. So if I have a look at the program over here, you can see what's actually happening. So that's all we've got in terms of the program. Connected to the output of this unit, we've got a Logic Analyzer unit and also a oscilloscope with a logic analysis option running. And if we go to the Logic Analyzer screen now, you can see the setup. Now this is set up to output normal RS-232 at 9600 BPS at the moment. So on the analyzer we've got that set to an inverted input, and that's because normally the RS-232 would go through a line driver which inverts it. And if I save that parameter, you can see the Logic Analyzer is then picking up the correct characters, starting low, and then these characters have been picked up, the T, E and the S and the T. If I go to the Logic Analyzer on the scope, again that's decoding correctly and it's giving us the correct ASCII characters. Now if we were to set the program to work into low mode, so we're working on I 9600, which I'll just do now. Okay, this is now programming, and while that's doing that, I'm going to set the Logic Analyzer up to work on normal mode. So edit the settings, and this time instead of inverted we'll go to non-inverted. Okay, now that's coming up with a framing error now because it's not actually the correct format, but the program is now running on the board, and as you can see now that output line is permanently high, which is the green LED. On the original Logic Analyzer that's now giving us framing errors because it's actually inverted to what that's expecting to see, but if I refresh the Logic Analyzer, now set for the input, so that's for a refresh on that. Just waiting for the trigger. It's set to send a command every so many seconds, and now you can see that that's giving us the correct results, and we've got the test coming through. So hopefully that helps answer your question.